So there's a path here.
Yeah, you can see the path going right. It's pretty cool.
Awesome, awesome.
And there's a couple large piles of rocks and things that look like they might have been actually used in conjunction with it.
Wow.
Yeah, like lookout point.
Those as well, the stars and moon could be associated with those in relation to the circle.
Son. There's a big black cloud coming now.
So I put it up with one of the rock piles that we're looking at. Right over here.
Okay.
That might have been another circle.
I think it's more at different times of the year you'd stand on a different mound and you could tell different day.
Uh-huh. Looks like Ireland around here.
Yeah.
Looks nice, eh? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe they thought this is like back home. Let's build a circle. Or something like that. Wow.
That's it.
Here.
That's the base stone.
Woo!
And so that's the line where the sun's going to set. That's the summer solstice line. And the three big rocks are the...
Oh my god, this is the circle.
Yeah, this is it. Ice cream cone, but yeah.
How do I know the Europeans didn't just roll a few rocks up? Because they're quite small.
Yeah, it is.
And they haven't been worked or anything. It's like they've just found rocks and rolled them into place.
Some of them look like they may have been worked.
Oh wow! Well, what do you think of this? That one. A 10,000-year-old stone circle. Oh boy. Something going on here as well with the interior. It's an oblique circle. It's oblique. It's got a ground here. It's a sort of an altar. Oh, a halfway point. So that could be an altar. Damn. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh wow. Oh my god. There are lots of flat rocks in the middle which could have been altars and things, you know, for spilling blood on, you know? Like things like this. Yeah.
And over there.
Like at Stonehenge. Yeah. Well, it sort of looks like a cracked cosmic egg or something, you see? Oh, it's splitting to release the primeval spirits. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, the eggs it sort of deteriorates around here. It's been messed around or something. So it goes that way. Now it goes here. Aha, it's here. And then it continues over there. These are like altars, you see. Wow. And it reminds me of Ireland. That's the way we came. They're doing some time lapses over there. And this is the beginning of the circle. Damn! That's amazing. The sun's up there. I'm going to get the drone out before the sun sets. I'll take it out over there. What are you weighing? What are you weighing? So, Brett, I think his name is, he said there's more stuff around here. And these altars are everywhere. Catching blood and stuff. 1, 2, 3. Damn, the energy. Wow. 10,000-year-old stone monument. Better than Stonehenge. Wow. And there's a lozenge shaped thing over there which is very weird. There's more stones around here. Clump of stones. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Brett reckons stand here. It goes between. There's 2 rocks.
And you can hardly see.
And it does. You're right. It does. Wow. These have been braced up deliberately on top of other stones. Then you got this altar stone. They've been placed on top of other stones as a foundation. There's small stones underneath, like Peru. Look at that. That's 10,000 years old? Are you kidding me? Look, it's on top of other stones. What's going on? This is really weird, guys. This doesn't make any sense. There's a path. The setting sun. Oh yeah, yeah. Well, we're here at 10,000-year-old Wooohooo. Very amazing. Very incredible. We're the only ones here on the solstice, basically a day after the solstice. No one knows we're here. In the middle of the stone circle, there are these large pieces of, huge pieces of basalt. So they thought this was some kind of earth mother or something. Basalt. Wow. It's better than I thought. It's really nice. Equinox.